In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cards in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable card component that's easy to customize and looks great across devices. We'll focus on setting up a main wrapper, adding a dedicated image area, styling the overall layout for clarity and consistency, and finally dropping in your images. Start by dragging a div block onto the canvas. This will be your main card container. Give it a clear class name so you can control styling in one place. Set a max width so the card doesn't stretch too wide, and center it by applying auto left and right margins. Add comfortable padding to create breathing room inside the card. A subtle background color helps content stand out, and a small border radius softens the edges. If you like, add a gentle box shadow for depth. Keep it minimal to avoid a heavy look. Turning on overflow hidden at the card level ensures anything inside respects those rounded corners. Next, add another div block inside the card for the image. This is your image area. Set its width to 100% and give it a fixed height or an aspect ratio so it stays consistent. Apply a neutral background color as a placeholder for now. In the background settings, choose cover and center so images fill the space without distortion. If you want rounded image corners that match the card, you can either inherit the card's radius via overflow hidden or apply a matching radius directly to this image div. Now style the card's layout so everything feels intentional. Set the card's display to flex with a vertical direction. This lets elements inside stack cleanly and makes spacing predictable. Add a small gap value to separate sections without relying on random margins. Keep typography and spacing consistent by defining base font sizes on the card or body. Consider hover styling on the card, slightly increasing shadow or lifting the card a few pixels to provide feedback without overwhelming the design. Check the tablet and mobile breakpoints and adjust padding, image height, and spacing so the card remains readable and balanced at smaller sizes. Finally, add your images. Open the Assets panel, upload or select your image, and set it as the background for the image div. Because background images don't carry alt text, make sure any important information appears as text elsewhere in your layout. Use well-compressed images to maintain performance while keeping details crisp. Replace images as needed and watch your card instantly update with the same layout and styling, ready to reuse across your project.